Okay, I got my fans going, got them wired in, got one over there, and they're wired up through here. I've just got them wire tied right there, but I've got it set to come on at 82, and right now it's 84. Okay, so that's an automatic fan system, and right there is the temperature sensor. It's that black wire right there. Okay, it stays pretty cool inside this box, so I'm not too concerned about it. And I installed one of my battery individual battery bank monitors, and that's 13.65 volts. Each one of the batteries will have them. I started to do it this morning, but then I remembered I had a dentist appointment. But I'll get those monitors on everything. This load coming in, load going out, battery amps, everything. For individual. On the website I've started a little page about that, so I'm going to post up the graphic for where the what the solar panels are doing. I mean, we got a nice bright sunny day. The sun's right in the sky. Let me show you what I'm getting. Okay, 263 watts. My batteries are in bulk mode charging. 13.9 volts, 18.8 amps, 263 watts. Okay, I feel very good about that. Got my solar panels are grounded, and I'm pretty happy about that because everybody knows I like my grounds to be correct. Let's see, this is going to be a pretty short video today. Of course, Old Glory's flying. I was talking yesterday about a hot water on-off switch, and that's that chrome one right there. Okay, and it's lit so you can know that it's on or off. Okay, so it's on, it's off. I temporarily mounted my inverter switch right there, and again, it's a lighted switch, so I know that it's on. Of course, my water pump switch, all my tank heaters and everything, my awning. Rolling out. I'm not going to roll them all the way out. So it rained a little bit last night. So when it rains, I like to roll them out, dry up any moisture that might get inside of them. Once that, once mold gets on them, you're pretty much done. Pretty much done. They look pretty good. They look pretty good. I'm gonna leave the clamshell out a little bit, because I do see some moisture. You can see it around, but I can. So I'm gonna leave them up a little bit because I do not want any mold to get on them.